Okay, the subject of this screencast is showing vector collinearity, and we're starting here with an example, 3 points, A, B, C. The points are given to us. Now, perhaps this is not a terribly difficult question. If we were given these 3 points and we were doing, this was in year 10 and we were doing coordinate geometry, then I imagine what you would do, or think about what you'd do. Maybe pause the video, have a little think about it, and perhaps do it. But I imagine what you'd do is you'd find the equation of the line that joins A and B, or A and C, and then you'd show that the other point also satisfies that equation. Therefore, they're all lying on the same line. Well, we can do a similar thing with vectors. We can show that AB, for instance, and I've drawn what I think is AB here, because AB as a vector is going 2 across and 3 up. 2, 3. So this would be, if this is A, then this is B, and we're going in that direction. Now, so what we need to know is, well, what's AC doing? So we can get AC by doing the same thing. Now, A to C, well, that's going to be -4, -6. Now, AC, this point C, -5, -5. So what we really want to know is, does it lie on this same line that goes through A and B? Are these points collinear? So AC is -4, -6. So from A to C, I've got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm off the screen. But I think you get me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to end up down here somewhere. That's going to be my C. And that certainly looks like it's lined up, and in fact it is. But the way to formalize that and rewrite it would be to say that this is -2 lots of 2, 3, which means we've got -2 lots of AB. So I am going, my AC vector goes in the opposite direction to AB and is twice the distance, but really what that does for us is it shows that A, B, and C are indeed collinear. Okay, I'll just draw that in there, and that would be representative of our vector AC. So yes, A, B, and C are collinear because, and the test for it is to find two vectors, AB, AC, or AC, BC, and what we're looking for is, do they differ by a constant, which we call a scalar when we're dealing with vectors. So that's it. I think that's all we really need to discuss before you're able to go and do exercise 11F. And I think we can do all those questions. Okay.